Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
The Only Way Cadence Sensor measures pedal revolutions per minute and transmits data via BLE and ANT+ to bikes, watches, and phones. The sensor weighs 12 grams and uses a 6 mm mounting clip to attach to crank arms on either side. The sealed housing runs on a CR2032 coin cell, giving about 300 hours of typical use. Replace the battery when readings drop or after 12 months. The device broadcasts at standard intervals, so apps show cadence in RPM and can log data for training and analysis. Attach the Only Way sensor with the 6 mm clip to the inside of the crank arm, positioning it 3 to 5 cm from the pedal axle for stable readings. Ensure the sensor housing is flush to the arm and that the clip sits tight to prevent 10+ G shocks from dislodging it during hard efforts. Tighten the clip until it resists hand pressure. Avoid using metal tools to prevent cracking the plastic housing. After mounting, rotate the crank by hand to confirm there is no rubbing or interference. Pair the sensor via your phone app using BLE scanning and name it Only Way to distinguish it from other ANT+ devices. The app will confirm connection within 5 seconds. Calibrate by spinning the crank at 60 RPM for 10 seconds while the app records. Saving that calibration removes scale drift and improves accuracy. Set training zones by entering cadence thresholds such as 50, 70, 90 RPM in the app and enable live alerts. Monitor RPM in real time and log rides for post-ride analysis and progress tracking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.